Hi everyone. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video for King C Gillette double edge safety razor, right? So let me take out the packing now. So I just bought it about an hour back from the supermarket, and I'm very much excited to see this. So let me open this. So this is a very, just give me a moment. Here you go. Yes. So I'm gonna open it right now. Here you go. So this is how it looks from inside. So there's a blade and there's a razor. Yeah, so I'm gonna take out the blade first. Yeah. So this is how it looks. This is King C. There are 5 blades inside, and let me see the make. So nothing is mentioned here. That's okay. So this is the packing. This is how it looks from backside. So this is a double-edged safety razor designed for edging with closed comb chrome plated finish. And let me see the make. This is made in China. Okay. Yeah. Designed in Boston by Gillette. So there's a razor and 5 blades, as you can see. Okay. So now let me take out the razor now. Wow. Okay. Right. Here you go. Okay, man. So this is pretty heavy. This is a pretty heavy duty razor, and as you can see, the logo is there, and I can feel the weight. It is pretty heavy. This is awesome, and it's very shiny and great. It feels very good in the hand also, and the grip is also very nice. The grip is very nice. Not too short, not too long handle. Handle is very nice, and as you can see, it fits in my hand very well. Yeah. So let me show you something more. So I will just open this and I will show you everything. So you know okay. So, and let me show you this also. So I will keep it. Okay, this is how it looks. Yeah. Okay, there's a paper here. So there's a paper here inside. All right, let me take it out. Okay, so what is written inside is, it's written something in German, and it's basically in English. It says please remove paper before use. So I will take it out. I will keep it here. Yeah. So this is how it looks. So I'll keep it like this, and wow. So I will just, awesome. So this is how it looks. I don't know how much is the weight, but it is pretty heavy razor. So maybe next video I will show you a shave, and my experience for this razor. looks. This looks good. Well, there is nothing much more inside it, and this is how it looks. So, see the packing.